In this video, I will guide you how to fix PS5 error code WS-116331-5. To do that, you have to check your suspension status. Visit the official PlayStation suspension status page. The link will be given in the description. Sign in with your PSN email and password. Check your suspension details. If temporary, you can wait for it to expire or appeal. If permanent, you will need to submit an appeal. The next step is to submit an appeal for your suspension. If your account is permanently suspended, you can submit an appeal to try to lift the ban. Go to PlayStation Ban Appeal form. Sign in with your PSN account. Fill out the appeal form including why you think the suspension is unfair, polite and reasonable explanation of the situation, any proof or context to support your case. Submit the form and wait for PlayStation support to review your request. If you don't hear back after submitting your appeal, you can try contacting PlayStation support directly. Visit the PlayStation support website, use live chat or call customer service. Provide your account details and explain your situation. Ask for any additional options to resolve the issue. That's it. If you follow these steps, you have a chance to recover your PSN account. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.